What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got this Godiag GT100 Plus. This is a breakout box with ECU connector, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this, see what we have inside. Okay, so inside we have this operational manual, all the goodies in there. Tells you what connectors do what, how to get things hooked up, all that good stuff. Okay, inside the packaging, we have the actual breakout box. So there it is. Okay, underneath, we've got this here. This is the OBD connector. Okay, inside here, we've got some other connectors, power supply, and this is our DB25 color jumper cable with all of those cables having their labels on there. So far it's looking pretty good. All right, so we've got the power supply. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in. Next we've got the car connector section here, so we're gonna screw this in. And then we have this side here that is going to go to the ECU. And again, we've got the extra connectors there, but in essence, this is the setup that would be used. So we've got two OBD setups here. This would be as if it was in the car. This would be to plug it into the car. So in essence, you can hook up your scan tool here, and you can hook up this to your ECU. Here are all of the various connectors. I did do a quick print off here, but in essence, these are all of the ports that you're getting out of here. So what you would do at this point is you would look at the pinouts on your ECU, make sure you got these hooked up correctly. You would hook up your scan tool, and you're able to use this device in essence to communicate to an ECU through these connectors here. So it allows you to do some troubleshooting without the vehicle. That's actually why I bought this particular breakout box, is so that I could continue to work on the Nissan Titan while I don't currently have the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and do some testing and all that. So this was the unboxing video. You see all of the contents that come with this particular package here. And I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.